Hello, welcome to the channel. I've been asked, is it possible to change this oil seal on the gear shift spindle without removing the side cover? The short answer to that is, I don't know. But if you're interested in finding out if it's possible to change the oil seal without removing the side cover, stick around and I'll get straight into it. The usual way to change the oil seal is to do it when the cover's removed. Why would someone want to change it without removing the cover? I don't know, for whatever reason. Maybe they don't want to go to the expense of buying a gasket. I tried using a screwdriver or something to get in behind the seal and hooking it out, and that didn't work. So what I'm going to try and do now is knock a hole there and a hole there. Let's see if this works. Obviously it's going to destroy the seal, but you wouldn't be changing it unless it was worn anyway. So that's knocked one hole. That's knocked a second hole. So that's removed the old seal. I have to say, it's not high tech or pretty, is it? Let's put another seal back in. Well, as you can see, I removed the old oil seal. It's pretty much it's destroyed. I've cleaned out the casing, put a little bit of oil on there. And now what I'll do with the oil seal, a little bit of oil inside, feed him on there. Should simply press in most of the time, but if you're having trouble, I've got a 17mm socket, and the advantage of that is to keep the seal square, which it's not at the moment. So with the seal square, tap, move my hand so you can see. That's the seal fully tapped in. Is it possible to change the oil seal without removing the case? Well, yes it is. Would I suggest you do it? Probably not. It's a bit of a nasty way of doing it. Much easier to take off the case. If for whatever reason you don't wish to remove the case, yes, it's possible. You just have to get in there and hammer the thing out. It's not pretty, it's not good engineering, but it is possible. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.